What's going on, guys? We here with another one. I spent a little bit of time thinking about, the luxury vehicles and, the lighting that is in these luxury vehicles. I don't want to pay that high price, but I know how to do things myself. So I did some time researching the different types of RGB accent lighting or interior lighting or ambient lighting, whatever you want to call it, that go in the dash, the door, the footwells, pockets, stuff like that. And I've come up with this silver holder luxury auto lighting. I wanted the ones that have something like a pattern that can run through them, that they don't just change color or strobe or flash. So these are chasing LEDs. They have the music sync, and supposedly it's premium quality. There's apps supported in the Android and Apple Store. That's pretty much all there is to the box. So let's see what's inside. All right, there's a lot of stuff. All right, well, so looks like here we have the LED strips that go on the dash. So there's a small one. I remember reading this small one goes on like the steering wheel side of the dashboard. And then they have this extra long one that goes on the passenger side of the dashboard. Then they have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the same size that go in the doors. That's great. So I guess I'm gonna have to start it raining, so I'm gonna have to wait to start the install, but we can finish this right now, the unboxing. So here, these are all sub-controllers. You have a main controller and 4 sub-controllers. Obviously the 4 sub-controllers are going to go in the 4 doors for the 4 LEDs for the doors, and then the main controller goes into the dashboard to control these 2. They have extensions that you run from the main controller to the sub-controllers. Oh no, I'm sorry. These sub-controllers are actually powered through the door, and it's all done wirelessly. So they're connected wirelessly. So you don't have to run wires from the main controller to the sub-controllers or nothing like that. So these are the power wires for the main controllers, which get pinned directly into your existing lighting, or you can just find something that has a positive and negative while the car is on, and solder and heat shrink them in to those wires. This, I haven't figured out what it is yet. I want to say it's like a photo cell, maybe, that you hook up. Maybe it brightens and dims the lights. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out. There's a mic here. I'm assuming this mic is what picks up the sound for the music control. We have these little lights, which also get connected into the 4 doors. So I'm assuming these ones are going to be pocket lights, And these ones are going to be the door handle lights.
You told me to stop taking the game controller. You can't run with this one. Every time I try to play with it, it always goes to my right.
This goes for the pocket lights. You drill your hole and you slide this into the hole, and on the back side it goes into the little hole for the pocket light, which I'll explain and show you when we get to it. This is just an extension cable. Looks like we have some double-sided tape, maybe. Guess we'll figure that out when it comes. Clear tape, double-sided tape. I don't know. When I get to it, we'll figure it out. And we also have the footwell lights. So these are the lights that are going to go in the footwells. This is the 18-piece kit. I believe it's like 150 bucks or something like that. But I'll get back to it when I get back to you. Stay tuned. It'll be like 2 seconds for you, but I gotta wait for this rain to stop before I go out there and start working on stuff. So stay tuned.